welcome to a nice windy day in Arizona. Thought I would do a little bit of an unboxing video for us. This is the Surewo magnetic action camera mount for GoPro. Brand new in the box. Now open the box. It comes with the mounting screw, a lanyard, empty box, a stick-on magnetic base if you want to put it like on your dashboard or something, instructions in a language other than English, oh, it has English. Well, we're not going to look at the instructions. There's a nice bag. I'm going to save this bag because I have a purpose for it. In addition to the lanyard, it comes with a neck piece here. And it's stuck together nicely. Wow, that's a very strong magnet. So that's what's in the box. I'm going to keep this piece of paper also. It's got a kind of waxy feel to it. And I'll show you guys in a little bit what I'm going to do with that. So now, let me adjust the camera angle. So here's the mount. And you hang this around your neck, and you adjust how far it hangs down, like that. And then you tuck this inside your shirt. Takes a moment to find out where it is, but it's in there. Ah, I'm wearing it backwards. So apparently the metal side goes out and the plastic side faces in, I guess to protect your skin. So now let's try this. Oh, boy, that goes right on there. And I just so happen to have a handy dandy GoPro here with me. This is my GoPro 7. Hangs rather well. And you can adjust it where you want it to point down very easily. It adjusts. I kind of like this thing. So let's leave the camera attached to it. You have to twist it a little bit and slide it off to make it come off. And so here is the reason I bought this camera mount. First off, I bought it because it wasn't $79. That's on there very strongly. So probably 2 hands are better. clean off some of this dirt a little bit. And for when I go off-roading. And if I don't trust the magnetic mount, it's pretty strong. But if I don't trust the magnetic mount, I could always put the lanyard through here so that in case it falls off. So, watch for videos to come. So far, for a quick preliminary use, I really like it. I like that I can have it under my shirt like this. This is a real good feature, because sometimes when I go places and I have that whole chest mount thing, it's first off, it seems kind of creepy, but secondly, it's also kind of unwieldy. It's almost like wearing a doggone backpack on your chest. So I kind of like this. I'll get a chance pretty soon to go try it out. But in the meantime, this is just a quick review, and for the $19 I paid for it, it is really well worth it. And it's a whole lot less than the $79 one.